What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18. Today we're going to talk about Jeeps. So this goes out to all the Jeep guys, Jeep girls, every Jeep lover out there, Jeep family. Check this out. We have the JK2, designed specifically for the Jeep Wranglers JK, JKU. It works on the 2 doors, it works on the 4 doors. As long as it has the round tubes on the roll cage, you're set to go. We have the white one here on the table. As you can see, I have 2 different sets of tower speakers. We have your regular big can tower speakers, and then you have your short tower speakers. Why? Because they both have different brackets. I'm going to show you guys that our tower speakers are compatible with our 2-inch tube. So this is a 2-inch tube. On the ends, it's a 3-inch size. It works perfectly with the roll cage having the cover on. So you don't have to take the cover out, you don't have to cut the cover. With this 3-inch clamp, you'll be able to mount it right there on your roll cage. We also include some hardware for your installation and these size grommets. Check this out. These gaskets, grommets, it's depending how tight you want to put your bar. So it starts from 2 inches all the way to 3 inches, which what we have installed already. So we'll put these on the side. Now, let's mount this guy up so you guys can see how it looks. You're going to want to loosen up the bracket a bit so you can, there you go. Once you have it straight, you tighten it back up. You tighten it back up on this side. And we're going to mount this guy up so you guys can see. We're going to take out all the bolts and let go of the bracket completely. I think it's faster this way. So we got that one loose, that one loose. That one loose. And the last one. There we go. So we remove it. We're going to want to put the tube on here, right there. Then you mount the bracket. It'll slide in, and then you start tightening it up. I'm going to do it, only 2 of them, 1 on each side. So I can show you guys, lift up the bar so you can see how it looks. This would be easier with the drill bit. Yes. So 1 in the front. And 1 in the back. Alright, cool. Now, here we have the short pods. We're going to move the cable all the way to the back. We're going to mount it on the tube as well. Then we're going to grab the clamp. You're going to want to open, hold on. There we go. You're going to want to open this clamp a little bit so it fits perfectly right there. And then, there you go. Okay, in this case, I put it. So we should use a drill bit just to make it faster, but we got it. So you can see one side has a thread, the other one doesn't. You're going to want to use the thread side, which makes it easier for you to see where you're sliding the screw through. And there we go. Just to show you guys that our tube, you can be mounted whichever pod you guys like. You can either go with the shorty or you can go with the full size. And there you go. You see? Now I'm going to give it a tight notch right here. Right here. Remember, guys, I did not put any gaskets, any grommets on this, just so you guys can see. And there you go. You can use whichever one you want. The big size one or the shorty ones. And that's easy. The way you're going to install this is you're going to mount it first on your Jeep, then run the pods. Now, it's completely hollow in the middle. So if you want to make a hole and run your cables and bring it out through the sides, you can also do that. It'll look top notch, your install. You won't see any wires anywhere. So there you guys have it. Remember, this bar is available in black and in white. So it's designed for the Jeep Wranglers, the JKs and the JKUs. It's also like a universal style, so you can put this in a side-by-side, in a golf cart, anywhere you have a roll cage, as long as you use the correct grommet to tighten it up. I'm pretty sure you guys can manage it. So make sure you guys check these out. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.